Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 13 April 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 9, number 17, number 23, number 30, number 49, booster number 1. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction. Today UK 49's tea time prediction first number 5, number 28, number 39, number 44, number 14, booster number 26. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete.